Did you know that something as simple as walking 10,000 steps a day can totally transform your health? Today, we'll uncover 10 surprising benefits that you might not have expected. First up, walking significantly boosts your energy levels. Forget about relying on coffee or energy drinks. A brisk walk can do wonders. It increases blood flow and oxygen supply to your muscles and brain, providing a natural and sustained energy lift throughout the day. Whether you're walking in a park, on a city street, or through a forest, this simple activity can make you feel more alert and invigorated. So, lace up your shoes and take a walk to experience this natural energy boost. Second, walking can reduce stress and anxiety. Studies show that walking, especially in green spaces, releases endorphins which help fight off stress and bring on those happy vibes. Next, it enhances social connections. Whether you're walking with friends, family, or even your pet, it's a fantastic way to bond and build relationships while getting healthier together. Another benefit? Walking helps you control your weight. By taking 10,000 steps a day, you can burn around 300 to 500 calories depending on your pace and intensity. This consistent calorie burn can significantly contribute to your overall weight management goals. Plus, walking is a low-impact exercise, making it accessible for people of all fitness levels. So, lace up your shoes and start walking your way to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. And did you know it can even boost brain health? Walking increases blood flow to the brain, improving memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. It's like a mini workout for your mind. Number 6 is for your heart. Walking 10,000 steps a day can lower your risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels, lowering blood pressure, and boosting circulation. Struggling with sleep? Walking can improve sleep quality too. Physical activity helps regulate your sleep cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Another great benefit is stronger muscles and bones. Walking strengthens your legs, core, and even your back, which can help reduce back pain and improve posture over time. Want to look good too? Walking boosts skin health by improving blood circulation, giving you a natural glow and helping your skin repair itself faster. Finally, it builds mental resilience. Setting and hitting that 10,000 step goal can boost your self-esteem, discipline, and focus skills that carry over into other areas of life. So there you have it. We've explored the incredible benefits of walking 10,000 steps a day. Walking 10,000 steps a day is more than just a trend. It's a powerful habit that can boost your body and mind in ways you never expected. From improving cardiovascular health to enhancing mental well-being, the simple act of walking can transform your life. So why not start today? Lace up your shoes, step outside, and begin your journey to a healthier, happier you. Every step counts, and the benefits are just waiting for you to discover.